Every click of a well-made keyboard can bring joy. If you spend most of your day typing, coding, or gaming, a mechanical keyboard can be a comfortable, customizable upgrade over the shallow, drab keyboard that came with your computer. It's hard to beat the tactility, durability, or good looks of a mechanical keyboard. But there are a lot of options out there, and not all of them are created equal. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we have listed the 8 best mechanical keyboards to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 8. Nuffy Air 75. This compact mechanical keyboard stands out with its vibrant and playful design, featuring colorful splashes on the keys. Despite its low-profile build, the typing experience remains excellent, providing tactile feedback and a satisfying click with each press. The 75% size is comparable to that of a MacBook, eliminating the need for a wrist rest, and it stands out as one of the thinnest mechanical keyboards available. With a robust battery life, the keyboard can last approximately a full week between charges. 2 small RGB light bars adorn each side of the casing, with the left one indicating caps lock status and the right displaying the battery level. The backlight offers over 20 different color effects to choose from. The keyboard charges conveniently via USB-C, supports pairing with up to 4 devices simultaneously, and is fully hot swappable, allowing users to change switch types without the need for soldering. Number 7. Glorious GMMK Pro. The robust, glorious GMMK Pro has gained popularity among gamers and keyboard enthusiasts for its extensive customization options right from the initial purchase. This keyboard is available either fully assembled or as a bare-bones kit. The Glorious website provides a configurator tool, allowing users to select from various plate materials, stock switches, and a diverse range of PBT keycaps, coiled aviator cables, and top plates, all available in a variety of colors to match individual preferences and setups. What sets this keyboard apart is its ongoing customization potential once it's on your desk. It is designed to be easily disassembled, allowing users to tweak and modify it at any level. It is a highly versatile choice for those interested in creating custom mechanical keyboards. Number 6. SteelSeries Apex Pro. The SteelSeries Apex Pro stands out with its groundbreaking OmniPoint adjustable switches, offering unprecedented customization for enhanced gaming performance. These switches allow you to adjust each key's actuation point from 0.4mm to 3.6mm on the fly, providing a level of control that's a game changer. Whether you prefer hair trigger reflexes for FPS or precision for MOBAs, the granular control over key responsiveness caters to various gaming styles. Beyond the adjustable switches, the Apex Pro boasts premium features. The aircraft-grade aluminum alloy frame ensures durability and a sleek aesthetic, while per-key RGB lighting, accessible through the SteelSeries engine software, adds a touch of customization. The keyboard also features an OLED smart display, offering an extra customizable screen. Smart functionalities include an onboard ARM processor for stutter-free anti-ghosting, full N-key rollover, onboard storage, and Discord integration, making the Apex Pro a comprehensive and intelligent adjustable gaming machine. Number 5. Kyron Q1 Pro. The Kyron Q1 Pro is an exceptional keyboard designed for serious enthusiasts who value precise key presses. While it comes with a relatively high price tag, the keyboard justifies its cost with top-notch quality and features. Built with a robust and solid construction, the Q1 Pro exudes a premium feel, complemented by its smooth and tactile switches. Despite its weight, the device's appearance is both colorful and classy. The typing experience is stunning, offering a reliable and speedy key press with a luxurious tactile feel, thanks to a rounded bump during the press. Additionally, the keyboard is hot swappable, allowing easy customization of switches. The Kyron Q1 Pro excels in connectivity, offering Bluetooth or USB-C wired options. It supports pairing with up to 3 devices, allowing for quick and seamless switching. With impressive wireless endurance, it can last up to 300 hours with the backlight off and 100 hours with it on. The keyboard software enhances the overall experience, providing powerful features. The RGB lighting is eye-catching, and users can customize it to their liking. The VIA software enables programming 4 function layers and mapping 3 functions onto keys for added convenience. Overall, the Kyron Q1 Pro is a delightful and feature-rich choice for keyboard enthusiasts. Number 4. Logitech MX. Logitech's MX mechanical keyboard stands out as arguably the finest wireless mechanical keyboard available, offering top-tier performances without the need for a wired connection. This wireless keyboard excels even without a USB-C cord, providing seamless functionality. The keyboard is impeccably designed, featuring comfortable and low-profile keys that enhance ergonomic comfort. A convenient battery indicator at the top keeps you informed about when to recharge or replace batteries. The MX keyboard switches deliver a fluid and quiet typing experience, maintaining the accuracy and consistency associated with mechanical keyboards. Notable features include customizable keys, multi-device control, and intelligent illumination. The backlit keys activate upon touch, adjusting to different lighting conditions. Overall, this keyboard is a phenomenal piece of technology suitable for both gamers and office workers, combining performance and convenience in a sleek and well-designed package. Number 3. Razer Black Widow V4. The Razer Black Widow V4 75% is a compact gaming keyboard packed with a plethora of features, from customizable RGB lighting to macros and hot-swappable key switches. Boasting some of our favorite mechanical key switches, this keyboard is built with quality from top to bottom. It comes pre-wrapped in a tape mod, providing a quiet and satisfying feel with each button press. The hot-swappable key switches make it an ideal choice for gamers looking to customize beyond just macros. Designed to cater to the needs of hardcore gamers, streamers, or those willing to invest in a premium product, the Razer Black Widow V4 75% maximizes its compact footprint. Whether you're typing or gaming, this Razer keyboard promises one of the best experiences available. If you fall into one or more of these categories, the Black Widow V4 is poised to deliver top-notch performance and functionality. Number 2. Asus ROG Aoth. The ROG Aoth by Asus caters to hardcore keyboard enthusiasts with its compact design and hot-swappable key switches, making it a favorite among keyboard aficionados. What sets it apart is the included starter toolkit for keyboard switch customization, allowing users to pull, swap, and even lubricate key switches. Luxury defines the keyboard itself, featuring ultra-stable key switches with box stabilizers, per-key RGB lighting, and an OLED panel. Despite its high price tag, the Aoth delivers top-notch components and an entry point to the growing keyboard DIY world, making it a compelling choice for those seeking both quality and customization options. While the Asus ROG Aoth may be on the expensive side, it's a no-brainer for people looking for the best in terms of both performance and customization. With hot swappable switches and a robust set of features, it's an excellent platform for avid keyboard tweakers or those looking to enter the DIY keyboard scene. Number 1. Corsair K70 RGB Pro. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro mechanical gaming keyboard, though a bit on the expensive side, stands out as a top choice for serious gamers and tournament participants. Equipped with Cherry MX brown key switches, known for their durability and tactile bump in the middle of a press, it enables rapid typing. This keyboard offers exceptional responsiveness, registering commands up to 8 times faster than its mechanical counterparts. With 20 layers of hardware, RGB lighting processing, it delivers impressive speed and performance. Notably, the K70 RGB Pro features a tournament switch that locks the keyboard into a distraction-free static backlight, preventing accidental macro activations. This keyboard is a solid option for gamers who prioritize gear that enhances their performance rather than hindering it. Mechanical keyboards offer a more satisfying typing experience compared to standard keyboards. The right combination of switches and layout ensures faster, more accurate, and more comfortable typing. While the initial cost of the best mechanical keyboards can be higher, it proves to be a worthwhile investment every time you use it. Choosing a mechanical keyboard not only enhances your typing experience, but also opens the door to a vibrant community of keyboard enthusiasts. Delving into this community allows you to explore various switches, keycaps, and layouts, tailoring your keyboard to your preferences. The appeal of mechanical keyboards lies in their enhanced customization options and increased durability compared to typical membrane keyboards. However, getting the best mechanical keyboard is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.